want to look perfect, isn't it? And so, if you want to find out how you can make your nose look slimmer with makeup, then here's a DIY video for you. Watch this video and find out an easy hack that you can create with concealer and highlighter to make your nose look slimmer than it is. So watch the video till the end. So for this, you need a highlighter and contour palette like this one. So now we will take the darker shade of the contour and start contouring our nose. So if you're not comfortable doing it with a makeup blender, all you have to do is take a little bit of the product on your fingers and then merge it on your thumb. So both your finger and thumb have the product, and then right from the beginning of your eyebrows, slide it down to the bridge of your nose, simply like this. Then gently dab with your finger or your makeup blender and start blending. And so we are done. Now moving on to the next step, we will take a lighter shade of the highlighter and then apply it on the center of the nose. So we will be picking this shade of the highlighter. Now we will apply this in the center of the nose, like this. So we are done. Does my nose look slimmer to you? If yes, then you can try this hack too. All you have to keep in mind is that you should not apply a lot of product on your nose, and you should blend it very properly with the help of a damp sponge. I mean, this is the ideal way to blend. However, if you don't have a blender, then you can also, of course, blend it with your fingers. But again, it doesn't have to look very patchy then. So you have to make sure and you have to make the blending on point. And that's how you will achieve the perfect slim nose of your choice and of your desire. So if you like watching this video, then go hit the like button